Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to track cashback earned through Levelup Checkin on Lendingclub. Now, one of the best perks of Lendingclub's Levelup Checkin is cashback on eligible debit card purchases. And here's how you can easily keep track of your rewards. The first step is to log into your Lendingclub app or website. Just open the mobile app or sign in on the website. Once you're on your dashboard, you're going to head to your Levelup Checkin account. Now, once you're there, access reward section, just look for rewards or cashbacks earned. Now this section shows both pending and posted cashbacks. Next is to review pending versus posted rewards. Now cashback earned, this is earned but not yet cleared, usually shows after your purchase post. For posted cashbacks, this is fully credited and available in your account. Next step is to track monthly totals. Now, Lendingclub provides a summary view showing exactly how much cashback you've earned this month. You can also view year-to-date totals to see your overall reward growth. Next is to redeem cashbacks. To do this, now, you've got to note that cashbacks are automatically credited to your checking account. There's no need for any manual redemption. Just spend and earn. Finally, to download statements for detailed history, you want to download your monthly account statements, and this includes every cashback transactions with amounts and dates. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. So if you liked it, hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.